Have you ever found out the person you trusted most was lying to you? I signed the divorce papers on Monday. By Friday, her funeral was on every news channel. I learned she had been hiding the cancer from me for months. Why did she keep it a secret? Why did she let me go without telling me the truth? I was shocked. I felt like my heart was broken. I needed to know what happened. So I started to look for answers. The first clue was at the hotel where she worked. My name is Matteo. My wife, Isabella, worked as a receptionist at a 5-star hotel. She was beautiful, with long dark hair and a warm smile. But our marriage was not happy. I thought she was hiding something from me. She came home late. She was tired all the time. She did not want to talk to me. I felt lonely and angry. I asked her, "Is there someone else?" She said no. But I did not believe her. I found a receipt for a doctor's appointment in her bag. She never told me she was sick. I thought she was lying about everything. So I asked for a divorce. She cried. She said, "Please, don't leave me." But I was too angry. I signed the papers. She moved out of our apartment. I did not see her again. A week later, I got a phone call. It was her sister. "Isabella is in the hospital," she said. "She has cancer. She is very sick." I drove to the hospital. But it was too late. Isabella died that night. I was too late. I could not say goodbye. I could not tell her I was sorry. I sat in the hospital lobby, crying. The receptionist gave me a letter. It was from Isabella. She wrote, "I am sorry I kept my sickness a secret. I did not want you to worry. I loved you. Please forgive me." I held the letter and cried harder. I had made a terrible mistake. After the funeral, I went to the hotel where Isabella worked. I wanted to talk to her co-workers. Maybe they knew something. The lobby was big and quiet. The receptionist, a young woman named Anna, recognized me. "Mr. Matteo, I am so sorry for your loss," she said. "Thank you," I said. "Can I ask you some questions?" She nodded. I asked about Isabella's last days. Anna said, "She worked very hard. She always smiled. But sometimes she looked tired. She went to the doctor often. She said it was for a checkup." I asked if Isabella ever met someone at the hotel. Anna looked down. "I saw her talking to a man sometimes. He was a guest. He stayed in suite 304. They had coffee together." My heart sank. Was my wife cheating on me? I felt angry again. I asked for the guest's name. Mr. Chen, Anna said. He checked out the day before she died. I went to the suite. It was empty. But I found a piece of paper on the floor. It was a note. It said, Isabella, I know your secret. Tell your husband the truth, or I will. I was confused. What secret? Was Isabella hiding something else? I called the number on the note. A man answered. Hello. I said, this is Matteo, Isabella's husband. Who are you? He was silent. Then he said, I am her doctor. She asked me to keep her illness a secret. But I thought you should know. I felt dizzy. The doctor was the man at the hotel. Why did they meet in secret? I needed more answers. I met Dr. Chen at a cafe near the hotel. He was a tall man with glasses. He looked sad. I am sorry for your loss, he said. I need to know the truth, I said. Why did you meet Isabella in secret? He sighed. Isabella was my patient. She had stage 4 cancer. She did not want anyone to know. She was afraid you would leave her. She wanted to enjoy her last months without pity. I agreed to meet her at the hotel because she did not want to be seen at the hospital. She was scared. I felt tears in my eyes. Why did she not tell me? I asked. She loved you too much, Dr. Chen said. She thought you would be sad. She wanted to protect you. I remembered the divorce. I remembered how I accused her of lying. I was so cruel. I asked, did she ever cheat on me? Dr. Chen shook his head. No. She was faithful. The only love in her life was you. I broke down. I had thrown away my marriage for nothing. Isabella was sick, and I left her. I was the worst husband. I went back to the hotel. I sat in the lobby, remembering Isabella's smile. The receptionist, Anna, came to me. Mr. Matteo, Isabella left something for you. She asked me to give it to you if something happened. She handed me a small box. Inside was a necklace with a heart pendant. And a note. Matteo, wear this and remember me. I will always love you. Forgive me for the lies. I did it because I loved you. I put the necklace on. I promised to never forget her. And I promised to forgive myself, one day. I learned a hard lesson. Sometimes people lie because they love us too much. Isabella hid her sickness to protect me. But I was too proud to see her pain. I lost her because I did not trust her. Now, I wear her necklace every day. It reminds me to be kind and patient. If you love someone, do not let anger blind you. Ask questions. Listen. Be there for them. Life is short. Do not wait until it is too late. I hope my story helps you. Learn from my mistake. Trust the people who love you. And always tell them how you feel. Thank you for listening to my story. If you liked it, please subscribe for more English stories. Goodbye.